In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a script from your chart on TradingView quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, knowing how to manage your chart effectively is key to maintaining an efficient workspace. Let's delve into the simple steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to have your chart open and ready. If you're following along, make sure you have a TradingView tab open. For this example, we'll be using the BTCUSD demo asset. On TradingView, your chart is like the dashboard of a vehicle, and the scripts or indicators you pick are like the vehicle's instruments. They inform you, enhance your decisions, and sometimes you just need to tidy things up by removing one. Once you're on your chart, you'll notice a top left menu area which showcases all the indicators present on your chart. To remove a script quickly, hover over the indicator's name, which will highlight several options, revealing a handy little trash can icon. A swift click on this icon will remove that script from your chart immediately. This approach is efficient if you know exactly which indicator you want to remove, streamlining the process. Another method to remove scripts revolves around using the chart legend. Think of this legend as a catalog of all active elements on your chart. You can access it by clicking on the arrow next to the indicator name at the top of your chart. This will display a detailed list of all the scripts and indicators in play. Next, within this list, locate the specific script you are seeking to remove. Adjacent to the script's name, you'll see another trash icon. A click here will also accomplish your task of script removal. Both methods have their benefits depending on your working style and preference. The shortcut button is perfect for those who wish to make quick changes without disruption, whereas the chart legend method is great if you want a clear overview of your current script setup before making a decision. To wrap up, knowing how to swiftly manage and remove scripts from your TradingView chart can greatly improve your trading efficiency and clarity. Whether you're doing a routine cleanup or making changes to your strategy, these techniques will help you maintain a seamless and organized trading environment. Hopefully, you find these methods straightforward and easy to incorporate into your routine. Thank you for following along, and if you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Happy charting!